Okay, so we're brushing the bottom half. I'm going to actually flip it over and brush the top half, because the top is kind of broken.
Wow, that's dusty.
Okay, one half is brushed, which is where a lot of my crew members end. So now I'm going to wash the other side. You'll see they're about the same amount of time. Brushing is a little bit faster. Okay, let's let that dry for a second. Okay, so you can see at that angle the top half looks really brown and the bottom half is shiny black. That's why we wash screens and not leave them all dusty like the top part is. Okay, because screen material is porous, and if you wash it with Dawn dish soap, it comes out black and clean. This screen just wasn't really done right. So that's the difference between washing a screen or brushing it off.